What's up? So this is gonna be a video to give you guys an idea on what I do when I need some cash, and just a pretty much a quick like hustle idea, I guess you can say. If you're a sneakerhead, it's gonna totally benefit you. You have a lot of sneakerheads in your area. Trust me, don't put this method on, you know, just like dismiss it easily. Trust me, this helps me out a lot whenever I need some quick cash. And I love sneakers, so, you know, it just makes sense. And I've been cleaning sneakers since like 2017, 2016. So it makes sense. Wait, by the way, guys, I'm filming this on the Action 5 camera from DJI, and I'm just doing it really simple with this. I just want something handheld, and I want something that I can use on the go. So this is gonna be one of those videos where I have to leave super fast to go get these sneakers, and let's go check out what exactly we have. We're on the road. We're headed out to downtown LA. It's like 10 in the morning, so it shouldn't be bad of a trip, just because, you know, traffic is not that bad right now. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the quality of the Action 5 camera. I think it's cool. I want to try a little bit something different. Right now I'm using all my equipment pretty much for We Play Football. I as well have the DJI gimbal for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, and and funny enough, the Pro Max, talking about it, it actually ran out of memory, believe it or not. Out of memory, 1 terabyte, that's right, 1 terabyte officially out of memory. It's about been a half a year just making content and stuff like that. And yeah, so there you go, half a year, you could run out of a memory on the 1 terabyte, so keep that in mind. At RRR in downtown LA on Main and Venice. Venice right there, this is Main Street. Check out what the boys got, and let's see what sneakers we're picking up to deep clean. Damn. Good, man. Thanks, bro. Do that, man? Another one. Yeah. Good to see you, bro. Hey, Pelo. ¿Cómo andas? Check these out. We got these. Some Off-White. Some Dior's. Not really sure what these are. You're gonna hate me. These are gonna come out crisp. And obviously, the Travis Scotts. These are gonna be the ones I'm gonna take my most time with, just because of all that suede. But yeah, Juan wears his shoes for sure. Alright, excuse the big mess. We got another client stuff in the background, but these are how they're looking in the van. We're in downtown, so I'm gonna go get the Jason Markk. I'm either thinking of going to Shoe Palace or Foot Locker. Let's go check out where they have the Jason Markk that I need.
It is. Yeah. And I'm okay with that. You know what I mean? Because
it was supposed to be like a cool little trip here. Never mind. There's a Jordan store right up. If not, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's go to Nice Kicks. We're just down. Okay, I could take a right here. Let me go up the street for Jordan store, which is just up the street, and let's check it out. What the? It's not there anymore? Oh, that's crazy. Never mind. The store I don't think is there anymore. Hopefully Nice Kicks doesn't do this to us, but check out downtown LA. Here we go. Same thing when it comes to Nice Kicks. Very, very limited parking. Let's see what I can find here. Hold on, we got it. Check these out. Let's check out what they have so far. Black right here. Patent leather white ones. These are cool. The blue ones are sick too. Horses, yeah, they are. Another dude. Kobe Air Forces for days. These are cool. I want to use these to run. We're gonna check out. We got these UNCs. We gotta clean these up. GS, all GS sizes. Some Carmines, right? Some breads. Oh, I didn't even see these. Just some light work. Any scratches on the patent leather, actually?
I don't know.
Let me see. The scratches, they can't really be taken off, but I could try.
Yeah, it's okay if you can.
I could try, bro. Let me see this one. It's just the bottoms, really.
Yeah, you took out the sole.
Yeah, the insole. That's cool. And some 9s right here. These are going to be the ones we have to dedicate more time to. It's mostly the time for this one. That one, because of it's the same material as this one right here.
Yeah.
The velvet 11s. These are really cool too. That part right there.
Damn, I wish they would have made them in men's sizes.
In men's sizes, huh? We'll get them done, sir. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put them right here for now. So only because I want to get started on this, and you know, just start cleaning these shoes. I'm getting started with the Da Vinci first, just because it's all leather. Something quick. This is what we're gonna use. The Essential Kit by Markk. I have more, you know, quality type of brushes, so we won't necessarily be using this one. We're mostly going for the product itself. This gets it done. So Markk, I've been using it since 2017 or 2016 even. And also too, guys, be sure to like and subscribe, join the channel, and I'll be making more videos like this. This is what we're working with right here. It's gonna be a simple, like, just cleaning on the leather on top. We're gonna see what we can do. Trust me, the Markk will do like wonders with this one, and stuff is falling out. Ew. But also too, this one right here, look at, check this one out. Pretty dirty. The only thing is the bottoms. We're gonna have to focus a lot on getting this bottom cleaned up. Now we're moving on to the off-whites, and these are gonna be kind of tricky just because it has more than leather. It has some nylon material, so we're gonna try to get that without, you know, staining it, because these things stain really quickly. Anything nylon stains really quickly once you start spreading whatever is stained on it. So we're gonna get started. I already took out the insoles of that one and the laces. We're gonna do this one as well. They're pretty much done, but now we got to get started on these. Look at these. I am going to use the Markk foam one instead of like doing a wet, so I'm gonna try to do like no water with this one, just pure foam, brushing it using the suede eraser. And yeah, gonna do the outsoles first, and then we'll work our way to the midsoles, uppers, and then insides. So we'll see. We're inside. Ya quedaron bien, esos los limpié. Estos me gustaron más por el suede. So pretty much we got the suede to stay. The Travises, they're not like, what's that word called? Where it has like a nasty suede, watery mark. The Dior's. The mesh couldn't get as white as I wanted it to, but it's pretty much good. Bottoms, these are just scratches from the before. También, ¿verdad?
Yeah. Muy bien.
Los Gavanas, the Da Vinci. Los de abajo. Good job. Those are cool. I like these a lot. It's like a white little paint thing. Yeah, bro. So I feel like this video is all over the place already. The good news is, you know, as you guys can see in the video, we already delivered the shoes to RR, to Juan. 4 successful sneakers that were done. Now I'm getting ready for the next batch, the title of this video. And that is pretty much, if you ever need a side hustle and you're a sneakerhead, check this out. Or you're a sneakerhead, this is a part-time or like a little pastime income you could create for yourself. So right now, just this weekend, and again, I'm not saying it to like boast or anything like that, I'm just letting you guys know the numbers and to see that it's possible. But also too, remember that this type of field, you need to have some sort of experience just because you're dealing with other people's property at this point, and you don't want to mess them up and be responsible financially. So that is something that can happen. So please be aware. My best advice to you is start off with your own stock. Like, let's say you're a small time reseller, or even a big time reseller. You get a lot of pre-owned inventory. Practice with all that, because that, in the end of the day, is your inventory. It's your property. The first order was like $50 for those 3 pairs right there. I got a little tip, so $50 in total. And now this one was about $10.50 a pair, and it's 8 pairs. So yeah, something like that. It's I think it was like $82, $83 for all of these pairs. Right now I'm having that special, so people are definitely taking advantage. Show you guys what we're working with. We got to do some of these right here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I showed you guys this clip, but these shoes, I just want to show you guys one more time before we get started here inside. So we got a few things in here. Get started to clean up on. Look at these. These have that in the shoelace. What's this one? Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll get those videos even better. So doing the insides. So these are pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Those were a challenge too, but I actually did like touch them.
Material.
Yeah, but I did like the inside is same thing. You smell them. They're all in there. The insoles too, bro. I cleaned everything, dude. For my 6s, I did like do a full thorough cleanup on those, like everything. The red, the inside, the insoles, the laces, everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, as you can see, the suede is good to go, and the telling is because you could see the dark,
Yeah.
the light,
When you
the
rub
dark
it forward,
and the light.
yeah. These are the UNCs.
Those were a challenge. Those were way more challenging than the
Carmines?
Oh yeah, this one was like, yeah. The suede again, it's a little bit more different, more rugged, but
Yeah.
they still have that. If you see that, look, all of it. See that?
Yeah.
And then the bottoms. These were pretty dirty. I'm not gonna lie.
Which is weird because we hardly wore them.
I think where it kind of brings back the color. Those clean. Those the actually put some Jason Markk on that horsehair. I didn't just like brush them. I actually put Jason Markk on the horsehair, and some black marks did come off on the toe box, and I think in the back part.
Looks brand new.
But also to keep in mind, these are used and they're GS sizes.
Yeah, so it's gonna be way less than that.
Yeah. Yeah, so those are the breads. I think they came out really clean. The patent leather looks back and shiny again.
Yeah.
I just like cleaned them a lot with the microfiber. That's how I use it, and those look super hella clean.
That's how I do with mine. I pass a microfiber when I put them on.
What do you think so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah. Those are the 9s I was telling you about. It's the left pair, or the left pair that needs that
The extra cleaning?
Yeah,
What do you think it was? Like carne
just-
asada?
I don't know. It's like
Some mole?
Yeah. It's like a salsa stain. If you touch it, like if you like, is it still kind of wet a little bit?
Yeah.
If you touch it, it almost feels like the fabric, just because that's already stained within the fabric. If it was like little like chunks, it just means that nobody touched it. All of it.
Yeah.
It's the velvet on here. Let me get these. The velvet again, same thing. I did touch some Jason Markk on it. I didn't just like do it. Like those came out really good. I kind of use the same technique with the velvet, with the suede that I did with those UNCs.
I wish they did these in
were-
fucking men's sizes, bro.
Yeah, biggest one is a 12, right? For
Yeah.
women. They didn't do an extra big size?
No.
I was supposed to end this video on the last 2 deep clean orders, the GS, all that bundle, and also to those designer pairs that you just saw literally on this video. But then out of nowhere, someone messages also on Instagram saying that they wanted me to go pick up their shoes. It's about 8 pairs. We're about to go check out what they are. They're all retros and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to go pick them up. It's not too far.
Reflecting on these. I don't know if that is a thing that you can do too. Top of it if you
When
can.
it comes to the mesh,
No saving
I
it.
don't know.
Okay,
So I'll do
cool.
my best to like avoid to like, how you're
For sure,
cleaning
for
it,
sure.
it could come
Yeah.
off. But I'm gonna do my best not to do that.
Yeah, and I mean, any shit like, because I mean, I think on these, I think I glued the sole back on. Yeah, see, I got like
gluing of the soles. I just don't do. I can't do that one. I never got into it. That's why.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
You go ahead and clean them, but I mean, they're pretty
For sure.
toast. You know what I'm saying?
They'll look out better. I'll shoot. I even like to put bags and stuff inside so they could get back their shape.
Okay. Cool.
And really, honestly, bro, like shoes, you'll be surprised. Like once you make them back to shape and give them a good cleaning, dude, like they look way better than what they are now.
Okay.
The 83.74.
All right, for sure.
Did you have cash or?
I don't. I only have Zelle.
Zelle? That's
Yeah.
cool. You can Zelle me.
Okay.
Because my roommate is a shoe supervisor at the Starbucks. I was doing a favor for her. I was covering her shift because she was sick.
Okay.
And she confirmed his phone number in front of me.
The orders right there. I don't know if you can see them. The shoes are looking clean. These were beater pairs, so they look way better though. That's the thing. They're beater pairs. They're still beater pairs, but they look way better than they did before. So I hope this client is gonna be happy. So yeah, so those came out pretty good.
The Seven's got some more life in them there.
Yeah, bro.
A
Look,
little bit, yeah.
check them out.
Yeah,
Like,
hell yeah.
dude, they just alone the product of like cleaning them, bro, makes them look great. This one came out pretty good too. The insides is really what I've hit mostly because this is like very visible. When I got them, this was like black, you know, the colors. So I just kind of scrubbed it out. Only thing there is still that separation, bro.
Yeah.
These are the
I'll get a couple more runs
fours.
out of them.
The same thing with the fours, came out pretty clean.
Oh yeah, those are clean.
The eights, dude, you had a lot of like fluff. I took off some of that fluff,
Okay.
so it's like plain, but it still has that marking,
Yeah,
bro.
no,
I
those things are
couldn't.
toast.
Yeah.
I appreciate.
Ours like these, yeah, dude. This is how they came out. It's
Okay,
just
yeah,
I don't know
they're
what's up with
kinda
this
hurt,
leather,
too.
bro. But yeah, so the bottoms.
Yeah, the eights and these they've been through it. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You good so far?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Man.
All right, cool.
Love
cool.
it. Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
dude. Just let me know whenever you
I'll
have
definitely
another
keep
pair.
doing mine.
Huh?
I said, how long you been in the shoe game?
Oh, bro, since like officially like selling, 2016. 2016 is when I started
Damn,
back.
a decade, huh?
Yeah, bro. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, I started like honestly, dude. I actually started like pairs with like this. So I would find pairs like this, but I would go to like Goodwills and like not only Goodwills but like Ross's, and I would find like 90s, these like and I just sell them like that.
That's a nice gig.
Yeah. And
All right, brother. Appreciate you, man. I'll definitely
dude. Yeah. Let me
I'll
know,
definitely
bro.
get you on the next round.
Thank you so much,
All
brother.
right, brother.
I'll see you next time.
Yep.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.